We have another STEM SOS model project by Tanner from Harmony Science Academy, West Houston.
So this is my project. Essentially, the Tower of Hanoi is a mathematical puzzle where the objective is to move the discs from one side of the puzzle to the other. You can only move one disc at a time, and you can't put two discs. You can't put a larger disc on top of a smaller disc. The math behind the project is that you can calculate the least number of moves possible by taking 2 to the power of x, with x being the number of discs in the puzzle, and then subtracting 1 from that number.
That's very interesting. Now I notice you have sheets of paper here. It has a little overview of your project, the rules and the math behind it, and it also has a QR code on the side, and it says to visit your website. So you made a website for this project?
Yes. As part of PBL, we create a website with a video and connections to English, connections of our STEM projects to English and social studies.
Now, when you connected it to ELA and social studies, did you find it easier to understand?
Yes, it's very helpful to be able to understand more in-depth, like more with more variety of details of things like that.
Thank you so much, Tanner. I'm going to take this with me and I'm going to check out your website. Thanks. Now we're going to switch it on and talk about biology. Rachel from Harmony Science Academy, West Houston is going to explain a little bit more about the anatomy of the heart.
Hi, so in the heart we have 4 chambers, and each chamber has a different name. There's the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. And so there are different valves inside of the heart, including the tricuspid and bicuspid valves, that facilitate the one-way flow of blood in the heart, because the backwards leakage of blood can cause many cardiac issues and dysfunctions. So in my project, I dissected a heart to get a closer look at the anatomy of the heart. And here I've labeled the different parts of the heart and the major arteries coming out of the heart, including the aorta. And so I've labeled the different chambers of the heart and the valves in the heart, and to show the anatomy of the heart. So.
Very cool. And I also see that you have a page too, and you have your QR code and your for your website and your PBL video. Now tell me, how does this PBL video work?
This PBL video, so what I did, I just talked about what I did for my project, and I included the social studies and ELA component, and it just gave more information about the heart and the valves in the heart, and yeah, that's it.
Building your website, you built it with what program? Google Sites?
Yes, I use Google.
Okay. And how was Google when you used it? You know, like you can basically go online, you can do your own research, and it helps a lot.
Yes, it does. And with the website, it's very easy to use, and it's really good to use.
That's great. So as you can tell, Harmony is very versatile, and we allow so many resources for our students to use, and they're all at free and at no cost to them. Thank you. We have another biology project. Karen from the West Campus is going to describe more about it.
Okay, I made a calorie meter to figure out how is food determined inside of our body to create energy, chemical energy, to use every day of our organs and anything. But I didn't bring my project because we weren't able to use it. So I brought a brochure to find more information and to help a better way to make it more better and use it at home. It's a homemade, and it's built a lot of energy to help the body. These are amino acids. This is lipids, and this is proteins. So yeah.
That's very interesting how it's homemade. Now, since it's homemade, did you learn a little bit about how you can make things at home and how versatile materials are that you can find at your local store?
Yeah, any drugstore or anybody, like Walmart, or you could buy anything like soda cans or any food samples that has helped to a better way to help the energy and everything.